In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how you can create a simple music cover like this in Canva. So most times graphics designers make use of other sophisticated softwares, but I'll just be taking you through how you can make do with something like this and still make it so professional and produce it on Canva, and you can charge as much as 10,000, 5,000, 7,000 naira depending on your client base. So let's get into it. So we need a background. Now let's make an empty page. Now we need a background. You can see that I already have a background here, but how did I come to the decision of this background? So just you can also make this. So this is a gradient background, right? It's a gradient background, and I've decided to make use of these two colors, a sky blue color and a little bit of lemon green color. Now that I have my green background. Now this is the image. Is the image of the artist. Now you go to edit photos. We need to remove the background. So thank God for the remove background in Pro accounts. So if you don't have a Pro account, a Canva Pro account, just click the link in the comment. Click the link in the comments in order to get your Pro account for just a token, right? But you won't be able to remove the background without the Pro account. So use the background remover. Then once you use the background remover in seconds, that is done, right? Remember, you can't do this if you don't have a Pro account. So go to edit. You want to touch up the picture a little. Now depends on what you want, right? Depends on what you want. You can decide to touch it up a little. Go to your edit and use auto adjust. Auto adjust has adjusted the picture for us, as brighten it up, colored it a little bit, added every effect that needs to be added. Well, if you are not satisfied with that, you can just work on it using some of these tools here. But yeah, the auto adjust is fine by me. I'll just go with the auto since AI has done the best for us, right? Now, so this is it, right? The name of the artist is Glado. So you go to your text and you add sub-heading, then add heading. So for the heading is this title of the song. We have Nima. She is not a Nigerian artist, so you see that now we need to choose a font. For that design, we can use Lovelo, or you just look for another font. Also, I need you to note that most of these fonts might not be available if you are using free Canva, but with the Canva Pro you can upload your customized fonts, add more fonts, download more fonts, and upload them in Canva. So this is another reminder, right, for you to get your Canva Pro. Just get the Canva Pro using the link in the caption of the comment section, or a link showing up on your screen, right? So now Nima, I'm okay with this, but I want to ensure that the color is contrasting, right? So that the title is visible enough. I want to use white. You see that it's contrasting, so we are using white. Now I want to add a little bit of shadow to it. I use my effect, then you use lift. Right, so it has added a little bit of shadow. The intensity can be decided by you, but it's always nice. It's a little bit subtle, right? So have it Nima. Then the artist name is Glado. Alright. So I also want to make it white, the color white. Then so we can also give it a little bit of shadow in order for it to pop, right? Now for it to pop, so we have a little bit of shadow there. Okay, now see, we are almost there. It's looking so radiant and all that, but we want to include the digital stores. We want to include the digital stores. What do you call it? The digital stores, icons and logos, right? So this is the digital stores. So we're doing. Let me just get this. So I've downloaded this, right? Downloaded them from Google. So you can also download them and bring them on board here. Right, so that's fine. You'll notice that it's not visible enough. Okay, so we need it to be visible, so you need to add a little bit of gradient below or underneath the digital stores. So this is different. This is not going to be shadow, this is going to be gradient. So just go to your elements, now search for gradients. Search for gradients. There are a couple of gradients here, right? We want to use gradients with a transparent background. I also want to use a gradient that will allow you to change the color. Okay, so this one allows us to change the color. This one also allows us to change the color. So just pick one. How will you know that you can change the color? Once you select it, you see here that you can change the color right here. So let's change the color. Then go to your color here. Right, now we have the same color as our background. So we need to send this, go to position and send it to the background front a little, so it's covering, it's below the digital stores or a little bit above the artists, right? So we also want to include available on all digital stores. Let's add that. Right, we're almost there. So available on all digital stores. So then we are saying that the icons below had some of the digital stores. You can also add your signature. So let's just go. I think I have the signature of mine. Let me see here. I have a signature, so should have uploaded all your resources. Just give me a moment to include the signature. Okay, so we use this most active no and then just okay, so this is good, but I want to reduce it. It's just going to be a signature, so you don't want it to be too big. You want it to be too big, right? Just have it out one corner here, just to just for you to identify your lines. So it doesn't have to be too big. You can decide to change it to whatever color suits you. Decide to change it to whatever color suits you. So for me, I'll leave it in black. right? Now this is a simple and a minimal artwork. Now if you can send this layer, send it back position, send it back, right? Okay, so now this is the apple, but I just want to add a little bit of drama to it. So just go to my ingredients. Honestly, this is some of the elements I have here that I've used recently. Okay, so let's bring this in. Need to add that drama in it too. So back there, send position to the back. Then don't want it to be too sharp, right? So we want to lower it a little. Now you go to your edit, you go to edit photos, you go to your effect panels, then you click on blur. Now you can work on the intensity here. See, now we've been able to add a little bit of effects and color, so it's there. Voila. So this is the designs we've just worked on. Okay, now we want to, so you can just save, go to share, then download, save as PNG, select current, then download. Oh, we are downloading Glado. Almost there, then we are done. Now you might want to give your clients or the artists, want to give them some campaign designs, right? So what you need to do is, so this is going to be the main artwork, but there's going to be need for the out now, the coming soon, and all that stuff. So we'll just quickly make do of one right now. There are diverse ways for which you can get this done, but let's quickly do one practical session right now. Then yeah, good. Waiting for the design to download. Okay, Glado, see, going to place Glado tutorial. See, now let's duplicate this. So we want to design the out now, right now. So delete this out now. So this font might be too bold. So let's look for a simple font. Montserrat. No. Let's just go for Montserrat. A simple font, right? Okay. Have that out now. There we are available on digital stores here. Now let's upload the design we just finished. Then upload the design. Click open. Now we are uploading the main parts we did. So it has uploaded, and this is it, right? This is it. So we want to just place it in the middle. Just in the middle, right? A little bit. Make sure it's centralized there. You want to add a little bit of shadow to it. So go to your element, search for shadow. Let's search for all. So there are various types of shadows here, and of course this is because you are using a pro version. You might not have enough, or you might not have up to this if you are using the free version, right? So just click on anyone that you want, and so try to centralize it, then send your shadow to the back. Use position and send your shadow to the back, right? So just ensure that you're placing it right on it a little bit more. Okay, now we are good. So we have the out now. Just duplicate again, and you have coming soon. So good. Now that's how to design a simple music artwork. That's how to design a simple music artwork using Canva. I'm sure you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do ensure that you share this with a friend. Drop a comment below if you've been able to get something from this. If you enjoyed this, right? Drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain Prince Oluwatosin, your digital solutionist. Thank you.